Hello everyone, welcome again. And this is day 6 of a Speaking English Challenge with an AI. And let's dive into this. Hi GPT, how are you? It's day 6 and I'm feeling good. How
That's I'm glad you're feeling good today. How has the challenge been going for you so far? Anything specific you'd like to focus on today?
the challenge is going good and yeah, it was great experience and first time I'm doing these things. So I'm quite, bit nervous and I'm not that much of fluent, but I'm trying.
You're doing really well so far. It's totally normal to feel nervous at the beginning, and the more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. Just keep at it, and I'm here to help you along the way.
Yeah, great. So today we are what we are going to discuss today. Like
You can discuss anything you'd like. Maybe we can focus on some interesting topics, like a bit of history, or even dive into some philosophical ideas. Or if you want, we can practice more conversational English. Just let me know what interests you.
I want to I want this to continue as a conversation only. So the last 5 days we are discussing random things that you become an interviewer and you ask random questions from
Absolutely.
different topics. So now I have decided that choose one thing and then stage that topic for around 20 to 30 minutes and like we discuss only on that topic. Like if I choose color theme, if I choose the word color, so we are going to discuss like 20 to 30 minutes on color theory and color related things. So yeah,
Got it. That sounds like a fantastic approach. It'll definitely help you dive deeper into the topic and practice your English more thoroughly. Whenever you're ready, just let me know which topic you'd like to start with, and we can dive right in.
so yeah, I'm ready. So uh, you ask question related to color, like yellow is my favorite color, and but like yellow is my favorite color. I like yellow color things, but when it's about the clothes, when I usually ended up buying a green ones. I don't know why, but I now I now saw consciously, so I didn't ended up buying green clothes. I try to try different colors while buying clothes. But also nowadays I like black, beige, and something off white colors which looks bossy. So, but apart from all of this, why are you not correcting me?
You're doing great. I'm actually noting all your points, and I'll definitely help with corrections as we go. For example, you can say, I usually end up buying green ones instead of I usually ended up buying green ones. And also, it's great that you're exploring different colors now. But no worries, I'm here to help and guide you whenever you need it.
Great. Um, so like so
Absolutely.
for form a question around the color yellow or maybe colors and then we have to stage this conversation around 30 to 40 minutes, so like it's your job to frame the conversation around colors. So yeah.
Got it. We'll keep things focused on colors and explore them thoroughly. So, continuing with yellow, maybe we can talk about the emotions and feelings associated with color yellow or how it's used in art and design. And we can definitely dive into other colors as well. Sound good?
Yeah, so I don't know, in earlier days of my childhood I really don't like yellow, but in my 20s, not 20s, in my like mid 15 or 16, I ended up liking yellow color. I don't know why, but I think it's from
That's
the
really
it's from the sun. Whenever I look at the sun, it's like something yellowish. So I really like that. Also the sunflower. I really like the sunflower. So from that also I really like yellow color. But apart from that, yellow seems very happy color also. But not from like I don't choose as a clothing wear. And in Indian culture also, like in Indian culture, we Indians usually wear yellow color on day of on Thursday. So yeah, there's significance of yellow color because yellow is I think God Vishnu's color, and we worship on Thursday to wear yellow color cloth and worship God Lord Vishnu. So yeah,
That's such a lovely explanation. It's really interesting how yellow can have different meanings and significance in different phases of life and cultures, and it's great how your appreciation for yellow evolved over time. We can definitely keep exploring more about how colors influence us and how they're used in various traditions and contexts.
yeah. So ask me another question about colors, and then I'll try to answer this again in English. And we have to stage this conversation because I'm recording for my YouTube channel, and I want my YouTube channel to grow. And yeah, and what else we can discuss around the color yellow? Cause okay, so what else we can discuss? You are an AI, so you have so much dimensions to explore. So why you are why you are limiting yourself? Ask from different types of questions, and yeah, I'll try to answer them.
Absolutely. I'm excited to dive deeper. All right, let me ask you this. How do you think the color yellow influences mood and behavior in different environments, like in
Oh,
interior design or in marketing? And we can definitely explore different perspectives on that as well.
okay, so there's a very, uh, uh, very excited story about color yellow. So I usually have this, in my mind that whenever I build my home with my own money, I'll paint the wall with the color yellow. And it's funny, but I want everything in my room is like yellow, yellow, yellow. But slowly, I now understand that it's just my, obsession with color yellow is way too much. And it's like I thought that whenever see yellow color, you feel automatically happy. I don't know why. It's something like brighten up your mood instantly. Don't you think so?
Absolutely, I totally agree. Yellow definitely has that uplifting effect and can bring a lot of warmth and positivity. It's funny how our tastes evolve over time, and sometimes we realize that too much of one color can be overwhelming. But it's awesome that you have that special connection with yellow. It definitely can brighten up any space.
Yeah. So also like
Absolutely, and we can keep exploring all those fun details, whether it's about how it affects their psychology. There's so much to unpack. Just let me know whenever you're ready to dive into another question or angle, and we'll keep the conversation flowing.
okay, so like in psychological perspective, I don't know about more about psychological thinking because I am not a student of psychology. I know this is a stupid thing to say that I'm not a psychological student. That is why I don't know about psychological theory of color. I know this is a stupid thing to say, but still I don't know. And if like the one thing I can say or I could say that whenever I see a color yellow, it brighten up my mood instantly and I feel happy. So basically, I mean, it's all the repeated question we have discussing. So please ask me different types of question, but it should be about colors only.
Absolutely, I get that. Let's switch it up a bit. For example, how about we discuss how different colors like yellow impact branding and marketing strategies for companies? Or we can explore how color psychology plays a role in art and design. There's so many angles we can take, and I'm happy to keep it engaging and varied.
I don't know why you are like your voice is hussing, so it is quite difficult for me to understand. But one thing that I have understand from your question that you asking me the that marketing strategy about color yellow. So I don't think there's anything about color yellow marketing strategy because every there's billion people around and everyone's choice is very different. So you can't companies can't rely on a color yellow. So do marketing strategy for color yellow and then sell it. There's nothing like that. But yeah, definitely. And so yeah, and yeah, one more thing that I want to add that nowadays, like in the clothing choice, like whenever I nowadays, like recently, I have this you know habit of buying clothes in black clothes more and beige and off white. It's also feels like bossy kind of colors. So I like nowadays. If I talk about cloth color choice, so I like black beige and off whites. I really like now I'm wearing this cardigan, so it's like a mixture of beige and like little brown and also black and white.
No worries at all. I appreciate you sharing your thoughts, and you're absolutely right. Color preferences can be super personal, and not every brand relies on one color for marketing. It's great that you're exploring those more neutral and versatile colors in your wardrobe now, and it's really fun to see how.
So we are yeah. So your voice is little hussing, so I stopped you. Now you start from where I left you.
Absolutely. Let's pick up right where we left off. Just let me know what specific topic or area you'd like to dive into, and we'll continue from there.
Now I am switching to Gemini because GPT is hussing. I don't know what's the problem is going on, but now I am switching to the Gemini. So Gemini, I am talking with GPT, and GPT suddenly start hussing. So I switched GPT with you, and we and GPT having discussion about color theory, and basically GPT is helping me to become fluent in English, and I am recording for my YouTube channel. So continue with that topic with me. Like I give this task to GPT that discuss about colors and we stage this topic around 20 to 30 minutes and then yeah you understand what I uh, said? Hello, do you understand? I don't know why, what happens to the network. It was going smoothly, but it was going smooth, but now it like network is a big issue in my village, and I sometimes it took me around 24 to 48 hours if I want to upload a YouTube video, which is around 30 minutes long, so it's quite difficult. But what else? What else we can do? There's nothing that I can do. I just complained to the Geo network, and they said that it's okay. Over the period of time, are we are going to situate a tower on your area and this and that, and they are just ignoring my complaints. So I can't do anything about that. And I'm trying to continue with my own. I don't know how much I stress this, but yeah, I'm talking with Gemini or GPT that yellow color about yellow color. So basically, the last 5 days is like I'm talking random things with GPT, and I thought I lost in a random questions, and there's no certainty. So I thought I'll give it GPT a uh, give it GPT a target, and so we can discuss around only that topic. So yeah, let me check if the connection is back or not. Hello, Gemini. So it's your job to I'm not okay. So I am recording a YouTube video which is about like a speaking English challenge with an AI, and I am I'm doing this with GPT, but GPT is quite hussing. So I switched GPT with you, and now it's your job to continue the conversation. And we and GPT talking about color theory. Basically, we are talking about colors, and I give the GPT this task to or ask me about colors, and we stage this topic. Uh, this we stage this topic around 20 to 30 minutes. So like yeah. Network is still not networking. I'm just hello GPT. Hello GPT. I don't know what happened today. Hello GPT.
Hello, it's great to hear from you. How's your day going so far? Let me know if there's anything specific on your mind today.
Okay, so my network is not networking. Basically, my network because of my network, I'll interrupt. I'll end this conversation with you and continue with my own. But now network is back and you are also back. So continue the conversation where we left.
No worries at all. I'm glad your network's back up. We can definitely continue from where we left off. Just let me know what you'd like to focus on next, and we'll get right into it.
Okay, so um, too much about colors and all of those things. But one thing that I wanna discuss more that yeah. So I was talking about that in clothes choice. Like I like usually yellow color, but in clothes choice nowadays I like buying black bees and off white. So it's kind of bossy look. That yeah.
Got it. That's a really cool shift in style. It's interesting how color preferences can change based on the context. Do you find that these colors make you feel more confident or empowered when you wear them?
Yeah, definitely. I like I yeah, definitely. Whenever I saw those black color suit booted women, I really become very happy and very inspired or very wanted to be like them and wear those suit booted and you know yeah.
I totally get that feeling. It's really inspiring to see confident people in those sharp outfits, and it's awesome that you're drawn to that style. It definitely adds a sense of empowerment and elegance.
Yeah, definitely. So okay, so wait a minute.
No problem.
No. So one thing I have thought also that I'll every day I remember one vocab. For that I'm using an app, and yeah. So my light is fell off from the rack, so I had to fix it, and now I'm starting again. So yeah, I'm talking about that. At the end of the conversation, I'm every day I'm gonna discussing one word every day. So it could help me to building my vocabulary. So the first vocabulary is like infiltration. Okay, so how to pronounce it? Let me. Network is not networking, and it like so basically the word is infiltration, and it is like this is noun, and that means goose bait. So basically, how we form this in sentence. So, like Amit Shah said that Bihar poll results are meant against infiltration. Basically, अमित शाह ने कहा कि बिहार चुनाव के नतीजे घुसपैठ के खिलाफ एक जनादेश है. Infiltration. Okay, infiltration, घुसपैठ, infiltration. Okay, so similar words या synonyms क्या हो सकते हैं? तो intrusion, invasion, incursion, incursion. Okay, and then opposite word क्या हो सकते हैं? तो withdrawal, evacuation and exclusion. Okay, so withdrawal, evacuation and exclusion. Exclusion. So infiltration means घुसपैठ. Okay, so yeah, that. So in in this day six, the network is not with me, and I'm a bit interrupted by and disturbed by network. So that's it for today. Definitely, uh, tomorrow I'm going to record in a good network, hopefully. So yeah, thank you for watching.